Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a product that has quite the reputation in the world of long-lasting lipsticks. theBalm Meet Matte Hughes Liquid Lipstick in the shade Faithful. This is a matte liquid lipstick designed to deliver full coverage with a rich, long-wearing finish suitable for all skin types. Right off the bat, the formula is impressive. It's a liquid lipstick with a matte finish, enriched to feel comfortable on the lips without drying them out excessively. It's vegan and cruelty-free, which is always a plus. And the applicator is a precision wand that promises easy, controlled application. The shade Faithful is a deep, muted red that leans slightly cool, making it versatile for both daytime and evening looks. In my testing, this lipstick applied smoothly without streaks or clumping. I appreciated how lightweight it felt, considering its full coverage matte effect. During a typical day, it held up well through coffee, light snacking, and conversation, though I did notice minor fading after heavier meals, which is pretty standard for a liquid matte formula. Removing it required a gentle makeup remover, but it didn't leave any residue or stickiness behind, which I found refreshing. One of the highlights of this product is definitely the staying power and the bold pigmentation. The applicator makes it easy to line the lips accurately without needing a separate lip brush. On the flip side, because it's fully matte, it can feel slightly drying if you don't prep your lips with a balm beforehand, and touch-ups are necessary after oily foods. Considering the price point, theBalm Meet Matte Hughes delivers solid value. The formula is reliable, the pigmentation is rich, and the packaging is sturdy and travel-friendly. When compared to other high-end matte liquid lipsticks, it holds its own in terms of longevity and color payoff, though there are slightly cheaper options on the market that may perform similarly if budget is a concern. The build quality is impressive, the bottle feels durable, and the wand is precise, which helps prevent messy application. While I haven't had to interact with customer service directly, theBalm as a brand has a strong reputation for responsiveness and quality assurance. If you're looking for a liquid lipstick that combines intense pigmentation with long wear, this is a strong contender. It's ideal for those who love bold lip colors that last through most of your day without feeling heavy. My only caveat is to make sure your lips are prepped, or the matte formula might exaggerate dryness. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you can find the link to purchase theBalm Meet Matte Hughes Liquid Lipstick in the comments or description box. If you've already tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.